The 2023 Nissan Ariya, Nissan's latest all-electric SUV, emerges as a hallmark of innovation, redefining the landscape of electric vehicles. At first glance, its design immediately captivates with a harmonious blend of sleek contours and modern aesthetics. These design elements aren't merely superficial, they reflect the vehicle's forward-thinking approach, both in terms of engineering and user experience. The exterior's fluid lines and bold features highlight Nissan's evolution in vehicle design, suggesting a fresh direction in the automaker's stylistic trajectory. Performance remains a standout aspect of the Ariya, offering two battery configurations, a standard 63 kilowatt-hour and an extended range 87 kilowatt-hour. The SUV provides drivers the flexibility to tailor their driving range based on individual needs. Whether prioritizing daily commutes or longer road trips, the Ariya ensures robust performance. Additionally, the innovative e-4FORCE all-wheel drive system enhances traction and cornering stability, making the Ariya not just efficient, but also a joy to drive. The ProPilot Assist, Nissan's advanced driver assistance system, distinguishes the Ariya further from its competitors. This cutting-edge feature offers a suite of safety functions, including adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assist. Its semi-autonomous capabilities elevate the driving experience, providing both convenience and an added layer of security. Another key innovation is the e-pedal system, a driving solution that consolidates most vehicular functions into the accelerator pedal. This allows drivers to initiate multiple actions from acceleration to braking using a single pedal. Not only does this streamline the driving process, but it also optimizes regenerative braking, a feature that is integral to preserving battery life in electric vehicles. Stepping inside, the Ariya presents a haven of minimalist luxury. Its interior, characterized by expansive spaces and high-quality materials, is more reminiscent of a futuristic lounge than a conventional vehicle cabin. Dominated by a dual-screen setup that serves as both an infotainment hub and a control center, the dashboard presents users with an intuitive interface. This digital landscape is complemented by the Nissan Intelligent Personal Assistant, a voice-controlled AI system. It's designed to adapt, learn from the driver's preferences, and offer real-time data, making every journey personalized and well-informed. The 2023 Nissan Ariya is not merely an electric SUV, it is a vision of the future brought to life. From its design ethos to its technological prowess, the vehicle encapsulates Nissan's dedication to sustainability, innovation, and customer centricity. It's more than just a mode of transport, it's a testament to the exciting potential of electric mobility. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.